second vlog, and today is the day for my first snowboarding. Bakit first? Kasi first time ko mag-snowboarding at hindi ko pa siya nagagawa. So I'll be with my cousin and my brother. Silang dalawa ay nakapag-snowboard na, so ako hindi pa. So panigurado, puro bagsak or dapa or what or slide ang mangyayari sa akin. So hindi nakalimutan ko kung saan yun. Parang Mount Creek ata yun sa up New York. Sinerch namin, maganda yung place. Especially, ngayong araw, maganda yung weather. Tingnan nyo. So ngayon, I think it's around 6 a.m. in the morning here in New York. Medyo malamig sa labas. Pero sa loob naman hindi kasi may naka-heater kami. So, guys, balik ako mamaya. Mag-shower muna ako kasi maaga kaming aalis. I think 7:30 or 8 kailangan makaalis na kami. Because it's an hour drive going to the place. So guys, balik ako mamaya. See ya! So guys, ito na. Lamig. Mag-ano na kami, aalis na kami. So, ito na yung mga gamit namin. Ayan ang aming snow boots, snowboard, yung helmet namin, all set up, yung GoPro. Stopover po kami para bumili lang ng Vaseline kasi super lamig mamaya doon sa mountain. So ito yung mukha ng shop, right? Hindi ata tayo kay Bernard. Exit ata itong pinatahan natin eh. Just include here. So hello mga guys, on the way na kami sa Mountain Creek. Kasama ko ng aking pinsan na si Kuya Bernard at si Ranzell, ang driver.
Make sure lagay mo dito yung ano ko, subscribe kayo dito guys.
Subscribe kayo sa channel niya and subscribe din kayo sa channel ni Kuya Bernard. Ilalagay ko na lang yung links nila mamaya or sa below.
Vlog squad.
Ngayon, so vlog squad na kami, pero I think this is my second vlog. Hindi ko pa tapos yung first vlog ko. So hopefully matapos ko na yung vlog ko nung una. Ilang oras yung ano natin? 57 minutes.
41 miles.
41 miles. So guys, medyo malayo-layo pa kami at kailangan kong tipirin yung aking battery. Kaya babalik na ako mamaya for more videos. Namumblema na kami ngayon kung may snow nga ba talaga. Kasi tingin yung araw. Guys, may snow ba? Wala.
I think there's snow.
Yeah, there's probably snow pero baka hindi siya stick ng pang ano talaga. So hopefully tingnan na natin.
Kasi ilang miles na lang ba tayo? 10.3 miles?
10.3 miles and
wala pa rin ano, snow na nagpapakita.
15 minute mark ni Kuya nga, wala pa rin din.
So hopefully hindi fail to kami pupuntahan. Kasi parang malapit na kami, 15 minutes na lang.
Nga pa yan na.
Ito na ata.
For hire.
Car for hire.
Airport.
So abangan natin mga guys pagbalik natin kung meron talagang snow.
15 minutes.
Babalik ako in a few seconds. Guys, so nakarating na nga kami dito sa...
Hey, what's up everyone? Mountain
Creek.
Creek. Nandito na kami. Kala namin walang snow but wala talagang snow.
Wala talagang snow dito pero sa mountain meron. Naglalakad pa kami. Si Kuya Bernard nagre-ready na rin. And napakadami pong tao dito ngayon.
Make sure you put your ano nyo sa
lamig.
ano.
Grabe mga boy, lamig. Tingnan yung snow. Kaya boys, papalit muna ako ng damit.
We can shine in a crowd, we never hesitate. Let us rise to the clouds. We got nothing to lose, I know the time is right. Let us light up the fuse. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know we're perfect, you and I. And I don't, and I don't, and I don't, and I don't giving up without a fight. What I feel, I know it's right. Let us detonate tonight. Let us detonate tonight. Let us detonate tonight. We can shine in a crowd, we never hesitate. Let us rise to the clouds. We got nothing to lose, I know the time is right. Let us light up the fuse. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know we're perfect, you and I. And I don't, and I don't, and I don't, and I don't giving up without a fight. What I feel, I know it's right. Let us detonate tonight.
Hello mga guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking second vlog. First part pa lang yung napapanood nyo. Yung second vlog to be continued kasi dun nyo mapapanood kung ano nangyari sa akin sa aking first snowboarding. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung aking second vlog, please do hit like and subscribe and hit na rin yung bell para makita nyo at maging updated kayo sa aking mga susunod na i-upload na vlogs. So, nakita nyo rin yung kasama ko, yung kapatid ko na si Ranzell and si Kuya Bernard. Lalagay ko yung link and yung channel nila below. I-hit nyo na rin yung subscribe and follow nyo na rin sila. Salamat mga guys. Abangan nyo yung second vlog, yung part 2. Doon lahat yung happening sa aking first snowboarding. So mga guys, maraming salamat ulit. I'll see you guys soon.